In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect the app and send a product from CJ straight into your Shopify store with the right details, images, and pricing. First, make sure you have your CJ Dropshipping account open and you're signed in. On the left panel, look for the option to install the app. Click it, then choose Shopify as your platform and proceed to install. This connects CJ with your Shopify store so products and details can sync smoothly. Once you've started the installation, you'll see an option for Shopify again. Click it, then select Authorize. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the installation. These prompts usually confirm what CJ is allowed to do in your store, like create products and update details. Take a moment to read them, then continue until you see confirmation that the app is installed and authorized. After authorization finishes, go back to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Navigate to the Products section and pick the product you want to add to your Shopify store. When you're on the product page in CJ, click List, then choose to list it to Shopify. This opens a setup window where you'll fine-tune what appears in your store. Start by selecting your store name if you manage more than one. Enter a clear, concise product title that customers will immediately understand. Add relevant tags to help with organization and search inside your Shopify admin. Think in terms of how you group items like material, type, or collection. Next, go to variant pricing. Review each variant and set prices that make sense for your margin, keeping shipping and fees in mind. Consistency matters here. Double check that no variant is left at a placeholder price. If you prefer, align all variants to a single price to keep things simple. Move to images and videos. Choose a strong main image and include additional angles or lifestyle photos if they're available. If a video is provided, enable it to help customers visualize the product in use. High-quality visuals can significantly improve conversions. Finally, review the product description. Keep it scannable and helpful, focusing on key features, materials, dimensions, and care notes. Make sure the description matches the variants and images you selected so there's no confusion. When everything looks good, click List Now. CJ will send the product to your Shopify store with the title, tags, variants, pricing, images, videos, and description you configured. That's it. Your product is now ready to be managed and published inside your Shopify admin.